So guys, Manju is going to demonstrate how we can check weather status of the route. Uh, First you have to open Google, and before that you have to enable your location, GPS location. So based on that it will get all the locations and the weather report, both server report and user reports. So just search in Google that TechEOS space Wavemonk. Directly you can visit Wavemonk website from TechEOS website as well. So if you search like this, you will get our company status as well. So if you just scroll up, you will get our official website, that TechEOS products. So if you just click on that, you will get things like this. So if you just if you just click on this Wavemonk, so that it will be navigating to your Wavemonk website. So then you can see this pop-up that will be asking whether to give access for using your location, current location or not. So you have to allow that. Then you will see all these weather statuses. So these are the weather statuses available to update for your location. So if you click on any weather location, so it will be updated to server, and so that other users can see this on the map that we given in the below. There are so many other options as well. We already told it so many times, and we will demonstrate it also, like in the future days, in some other days. You can visit our old videos so that I can get what are these options as well. These are so many useful options are there. So as of now we are just demonstrating the weather status before starting a trip. So here you can see the map, right? So this is our current location, Begur. So if you are leaving the location, we have to put your destination, where you want to go. Just type it here. So Manju is typing Hassan. If you just search like this, it will show all the locations. Wait, scroll up. Yeah, it is getting the locations. Hassan. Right. See here you can see no details available for the input. Hassan means if suppose there are some details, it will fetch the details. If there is no details available, it will say that no details are available. Just type Mysore. Mysore type. Wait. Yeah, you can see the weather statuses, right? So here we got all the weather statuses. Like this you will get these are your routes actually. From it will start from Begur to your destination location, Mysore. So these are the like flags, you can like on the way, what are the state cities comes, that weather it will show here. It is the above one, it will show that you can see in the top, right? So
this is our current location. Right now it's slightly drizzling, so it is showing drizzling there.
So that is taking from server actually. So that is server update. I mean it is updated by Google weather. So this one, the below one, you can see unknown, right? So this is the user weather, like whoever user is in this Begur location, if anybody is updated some weather, that weather update will become here. Like if it is, suppose let's say here the weather you can see, right? Here there is no raining, it is partially cloudy, right? It is partly cloudy. So here there is no raining at all, but here it is saying that for Begur location it is drizzling. So it's not drizzling, right? It is false. So that's one of the reason that we created our product. Now what we have to do, like if Manju is an user, like even though he is not an user, he can just update his weather here. Like partly cloudy, one icon will be there. Here see, you can see clouds, right? Just click on the clouds. So it will immediately update to our server. So once you refresh the page, and suppose if anybody is going through this location again, like they will put destination here, put destination, Begurala, Mysore. So they will get locations like this. Now you can see here cloudy, right? So drizzling is the false one. That is from server, Google server. That is the false. Here actually actual weather is cloudy. So like this, all the people whoever is living in these places like Ramnagara and Chandrayapatna, so those people will update the weather so that you can see the actual weather here before leaving. Accordingly you can plan your trip. So this is about our product. So we will keep on posting the updates how it works. So we are just starting from here, right? So how we can plan using WaveMonk, that's what we are demonstrating. Thank you guys, thanks for your time.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Please use our application, it will be very useful.